Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix getsockopt error on Minecraft. So without further ado, let's get started. So this error, guys, is network related error. So if you're wondering if the mods is preventing you from the game or the game installation, so it's not the case. It's only network related issues. So the first thing what we suggest to do here is to go to Windows Defender Firewall. And on Windows Defender Firewall, try to turn off Windows Defender Firewall, turn off here, and then look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then press Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and then click on one of the tasks here and press J until you see Java. Java platform SC binary, make sure all the Java tasks here is on public. Then look for Minecraft and Minecraft Launcher, press M until you see, as you can see, should be Minecraft. Make sure it's public and private, and also just turn on all the things here. And if you don't see the Minecraft or Minecraft launcher here, you need to add manually. So you just need to browse for your Minecraft files and you need to add it manually. Okay. Next thing what we need to do here, you need to change your DNS settings, and to do so you just need to write view network connections, then find your internet connection, right click on it, go to properties. Then look for Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure Internet Protocol version 6 is disabled. Double click and then select use the following DNS server addresses, and you just need to write 8.8.8.8 and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes. Look if the problem persists. Then open up cmd or command prompt, run as admin, and then you need to write ipconfig space // DNS. Another command is -winsock reset. And after that, restart your computer, look if the problem persists. And if nothing is working, then I suggest you to use exit lag. I will leave the link in the description below so you can sign up and download this app. Then you just need to go to Minecraft here, select apply routes. And then after routes is applied, go to Minecraft and look if you're getting these issues or not. It's a paid subscription thing here. I believe it costs $4 a month, but I believe there is an trial for that. You just need to go to exit lag and then press on login. Do not pay anything here, and then press don't have an account, sign up, and then download exit lag. And I believe you have 2 days of the free trial. So test this and look if it's working with exit lag or not. I will leave the link in the description below. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.